Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we will be learning subject English Grammar, Standard 3rd. Topic for the day is comparisons. Children, what is comparisons? Comparisons means to compare two things, two animals, or two places by using suitable adjectives. Let's see the example. The coal is as black as the crow. Children, in this sentence, the coal is compared with the color of the crow, that is black. Next example is Helen's beauty is as lovely as a rose. Children, can you tell me what is the adjective in this sentence? Yes, correct. Lovely is the adjective. What is lovely? A rose. Lovely is compared to a rose. So, the beauty of Helen is compared to the beauty of a rose. Here, you can see one more sentence, and the sentence is the house is as posh as a palace. Children, in this sentence, the palace is posh and the house is also posh. Posh means stylish. The house is compared to a posh palace. Children, let's see one more example. And the sentence is Birbal is as funny as a joker. Can you guess the adjective in this sentence? Correct. Funny is the adjective. So, in this sentence, Birbal is compared to a funny joker. Children, look at this example. Priya's dress is as white as snow. What is the adjective, children? Yes, white is the adjective. White is compared to the snow. So, Priya's white dress is compared to the snow. Children, what do you see in the picture? Car and the racing car. And the sentence is, his car runs as fast as a racing car. In this sentence, the speed of the car is compared to the racing car. Children, look at this example. And the sentence is, my book is as interesting as your book. Children, what is the describing word in this sentence? Yes, correct. Interesting. So, in this sentence, one book is compared to the another interesting book. Children, let's see the next example. Mumbai is as cool as Nagpur. In this sentence, the weather in Mumbai is as cool as in Nagpur. Look at this sentence. Mohan is as tall as Soham. Children, here the height of Mohan is as tall as the height of Soham. Children, now look at the following note. When a comparison is made between two objects of different kinds, they should be alike at least in one point. Children, now it's the exercise time and you will be writing this exercise in your notebook. Write the comparisons for the following adjectives. Make use of the pictures given below. 1. As sweet as dash, and the answer is as sweet as honey. Sweet is the comparative adjective and compared to the honey. 2. As faithful as dash, and the answer is as faithful as dog. Faithful is the comparative adjective and compared to the dog. 3. As sharp as dash, and the answer is as sharp as knife. Sharp is the comparative adjective and compared to the knife. 4. As hard as dash, and the answer is as hard as stone. Hard is the comparative adjective and compared to the stone. 5. As busy as dash, and the answer is as busy as bee. Busy is the comparative adjective and compared to the bee. 6. As brave as dash, and the answer is as brave as lion. Brave is the comparative adjective and compared to the lion. 7. As light as dash, and the answer is as light as feather. Light is the comparative adjective and compared to the feather. 8. As lazy as dash, and the answer is as lazy as donkey. Lazy is the comparative adjective and compared to the donkey. Children, now it's a homework time and you will be writing this homework in your homework notebook. Match the following columns. 1. He runs as fast as a deer. 2. She is as cool as a cucumber. 3. He is as tall as a giraffe. 4. Her dress is as white as snow. 5. Her voice is as sweet as a cuckoo. 6. No one can be as perfect as God. Children, here is your favorite activity. And the activity is find the following adjectives in the word puzzle. Words in the bracket: big, slow, tall, light, ugly, fast, short, strong, little. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you children for watching this video.